Oh, let me share to you another version of my ensaladang talong. I don't know if may ibang tawag pa dito, but here it is. Slice the eggplant at tinusok-tusok and steam. Almost the same process. Then, while waiting for the eggplant, I chop the other ingredients. Garlic, finely chopped. Okay, wag masyadong pino, basta maliliit lang. Onion, and ginger. So, meron tayong mga additional ingredients in this recipe. Then, tomatoes. The more, the merrier. Charot! Yung sakta lang dapat. Okay, ready na yung talong. Wow, so juicy. We just let the skin on kasi steam naman and maraming benefits din yung skin. Minsan, mas marami pang benefits yung skin kaysa dun sa laman mismo. Then, haluin lang na mabuti. After that, add salt and vinegar. So kung napansin nyo, yung added ingredients natin ay garlic, ginger, and vinegar na para bang kinilaw. Right? Okay, so haluin lang ulit ng mabuti. Isa sa nagpapasarap ng pagkain na yung paghalo ng mabuti kasi napapantay yung lasa. Evenly distributed yung mga ingredients kaya mas masarap. Do you agree? You should. So, here it is. Ito na yung another version of my ensaladang talong. I sometimes call this kinilaw na talong. Sobrang sarap, especially if mahilig ka sa suka. You would love this. Tapos tuyo, perfect meal.